Hello there, you're through to this auction for the Sony RDR HXD 870. This is the unit in question. I've had this from new. It's about 2.5, 3 years old now. It's not had loads of use. It's had some use, but still loads of life in it. I've upgraded the hard disk. It's originally 160, you can see here, and I put in a 1TB disk, which gives about 2,000 hours at the lowest quality. About 500 hours at a decent rate, and it's got Freeview on, you can see there. So if you're in a Freeview area, you get a free PVR. You can also use Sky as well. It's got a Guide Plus system where you can hook it up via Eurosport and it downloads listings for it. I've got this connected to a FreeSat box here. It's in the guest room actually, so it doesn't get a lot of use. So I just thought it's time to sell because my FreeSat box has got recording features on it anyway. Just wanted to show you some of the features of it. Inside, put the flap down. Got various connections. You can connect a pick bridge camera towards it. You can connect USB, useful for a keyboard input, and also to play MP3s via your machine here. And it's also got a DV in if you've got a digital camcorder and you want to transfer your footage across, and that's a really good connection to have. And also a one touch dub where you can just press that and it will dub across your material. Okay, so you can see here that it's connected to my television and FreeSat. Okay, I'm just going to show you the interface. It's very simple. Sorry, it's kind of like you're looking up at it, but I'm lying down doing this video. Really simple to use. It's kind of done it in titling. So you've got the numbers on the left hand side. Tells you when it's a newly recorded program. Tells you when you recorded it and from what channel. Now, what you can also do as well is input titles like I have here. If I just go back a few pages, you can see that these are all the things that I've previously recorded and given names for. Now, I can certainly leave these on if you want me to, so you give yourself loads of entertaining things to watch, or if you think it's not really my kind of thing, I can delete them, no problem either. Okay, so as you can see, I have titled most of the programs on here. There's a range of kind of pop videos and some TV recorded films, so you know, a wide range, some comedy programs as well. So it's up to you if you want those left on. It's a DVD recorder as well, so you can dub programs on the hard disk here directly to a DVD. Now, one really good feature this has got, and I've got it on my main box downstairs, is on the Sky box. We record loads of films from Sky and never get round to watching them straight away. So what I tend to do, rather than clog up the hard drive, is I play them overnight by doing Copy Plus, which is basically going into your Sky planner, highlighting the programs that you want to record and just pressing the green button to copy. And then what you do, you press play on the very first one and it just plays the programs one after the other. Now, this machine can record up to 12 hours in one setting. So you just press record and it will continuously record for 12 hours. And then using the editing features on this unit, you can then edit out all the stuff that you don't want. You can divide the long sort of 12-hour recording into sections. So you could maybe get 6 films in one recording session, do it overnight, and then just edit out all the adverts and stuff that you don't want. Now, this machine's pretty good actually on that. It tends to know when there's adverts on, and it puts little markers on, so you can just edit those out really quickly, which is really useful. What else can this unit do? It's HDMI, so you connect it to your high definition television by an HDMI lead, and then I think it tells you here actually, I don't know if you can see it on here. It just says high definition multimedia interface 1080p upscale. So any DVDs that you've got, it'll try and upscale to high definition. It's not quite Blu-ray, but it's not a bad not a bad picture at all. Very flexible. You can do series links, so you can tell it to record a program and it will record every episode. You can play MP3s on the unit as well. You can do play films from all around the world because it's been made multi-region. That's all I can remember at the minute. But I mean, any questions that you've got, just give us an email on eBay. I'm more than happy to help. Now, the unit comes with the unit itself. It comes with the remote control, which is just here. I don't think I've got the original box for it now, but I can get one that's suitable. Will be packed well, so there won't be any damage. I think I've got the instructions somewhere as well for it. I can include 3 blank DVDs for you, but when you've got 2,000 hours of hard disk space, then you probably won't need them, but I will anyway. The hard drive that I've put in, it's a Samsung one, and they're really reliable. It's guaranteed for 3 years, the hard drive is, I think. I've had it in about 6 months, so two and a half years left on it, but I've never had, well, touch wood, I've never had Samsung's breakdown on me, so they're pretty reliable. And yeah, if you've got any questions, as I say, give me a shout. More than happy to answer. But it's well worth the money. You won't ever need to have another PVR unit again, because everything that you want to record and keep, you can have on this machine, and really easy to access. With the EPG here, or the title list rather, you can search by either name, by the title number, by genre. There's all different ways to find your material really easily. Okay, well, thanks for looking, and I'll hope to be in contact with you when you bid. Okay, take care, bye.